You don't need that much. Alright guys, this is Mechanic to Go. I haven't made a video in a while, but this thing's pretty straightforward, so we're going to show you real quick. We're in an 04 Toyota Corolla, and the problem was the shifter would move without the vehicle actually going anywhere. Like you can see the lever right now. So the problem that happens is they got this, this is your shift linkage right here that connects to your transmission, and there's a little grommet that goes in this gap right there, and then it hooks into the actual peg right there. So when you shift, if you can see, that's what puts you in and out of gear. So these little purple thing right here is the part that's missing, and they don't actually sell them like at AutoZone or anything. I got this off of Amazon. This is the place it came from, and they're different kits for different vehicles. Just search your year, make, and model, and you'll be able to get it. So on this Corolla, we just had to take off this trimming with a cigarette lighter, a couple of bolts, slide out the plastic, and then you just kind of jam it in the hole, put some lube on it, and then stick it in, and that's it. So we're gonna put it on, and then I'll show you what it looks like after everything's installed. Yeah, technical difficulty. Apologize.
Good morning. Mayday, mayday.
Cut.
Mayday, mayday.
What? Where's the blood coming from? We're just kidding. It's not that bad. All right. We'll be back. So there is the finished product. That's the new purple grommet installed in the shift linkage, and that's it. Gotta put these bolts back on. PJ is missing only one finger, so that went pretty well. As long as you got most of your hand left, it's all good.
Yeah, I'm still looking for my nub.
No. Joe's almost out of fingers, so he's almost out of a job.
Hey, I still got one hand left.
All right. Hope you like that short video. No PJs or Joes were harmed in the making of this video.
Well, I still gotta hook this shit up.
He's not done. Yeah, there's a little couple of electrical things left over, but that's it. We out. Mechanic to Go. See y'all later. Hopefully, maybe with PJ, maybe without. See if he survives this repair.